Today we're finishing installing my twin Beijing blowholes. Last you saw I mounted one side but the other side wouldn't fit. So we're breaking out the hacksaw and JB Weld to make it work. Just kidding, we're going to use our Harbor Freight welder instead. So the idea was to cut the pipes and make it closer to the engine, which would hopefully clear the steering rack and the master cylinder. After hacking away and grinding for a while, we test fit it and unfortunately it doesn't work. The turbo still won't clear the master cylinder and the steering rack still just gets in the way. I don't know why this kit would come with it and how this would fit any car, but that's what I get for buying an eBay twin turbo kit. So I ordered different manifolds and we'll have to use them when they arrive. But since this project is getting delayed a couple of days, it gives me time to focus on hooking up the oil lines and getting a blow-through carb setup. I know you guys wanted to see me weld, so you can tell me your dog shits better weld, so I'm gonna help Lenny with his custom side pipe exhaust. So we're using some exhaust scrap, a $150 Harbor Freight welder, and a $10 angle grinder. Can we do it? Can we make a custom exhaust? I think so. This is my second time welding in my entire life, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Remember, a grinder and paint will make you the welder you ain't. So we bolted it on to his existing electronic cutouts, and it looks and sounds great.